17th one, write a Python program to get the key value and item in a dictionary and count also here. Okay, so take this input here. I want to return key value and also count. Okay, means pair number. This how many five page number is there? I want to return the pair number count. Okay, for that we have to use enumerate function here. Take the input here, num print num here, and repeat or loop for count. Take the count here, count comma k comma v means key values. Okay, in enumerate function, take enumerate function. Enumerate function returns keys, values, and also count here. Okay, enumerate and pass the object. Which object? Dictionary object. This num object. Okay, num object. First parameter is the object num dot items. Second parameter is the count value. Okay, so if you want to start with one, just write one here. If you want to start with zero, just write zero here. Okay, simple one and print k comma p comma count or give space here. Key comma colon comma count. Simple. Execute it. Okay, key value count. 3 1 10. One key to 10 value and would be a count here. Okay, you want take out here. You want take out this, it doesn't matter. Simple. Key value count now. Key value count. If you want to start with 0, just use 0 second parameter enumerate function. So 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, number of items take the object, enumerate for items returns the count of the each dictionary pair. So that's it.